This is what the rain did. It caused the flood. This is what it did. So it started over here, and then it started to come over here, and then what it did to the pond.
You need to not take a picture of me with my shorts on.
This is what it did to the pond. Like the fish are all out. Like seriously, that's not good. And then all over here, like the fish. You can see the pond. See, it's so horrible. This is what the rain did. Like, I can't believe it did this. And then over here, it's worse. Because look at that. And then I'm all stepping on mud and all that. And I gotta, like, just look at this. It's horrible. And then over here, well, I have to walk all in the rain in order for us to see. Over here's worse. Can't you see it? Like, it's so worse. And then, yeah, so that sucks. And then all down here. And yeah, so that's what it is.